Hello friends, guys and girls in YouTube. After a long break, because I was quite busy with my work, I am bringing to you guys a very interesting topic, which is global filtering using ReactJS. We are not using any database, so this will be a very helpful feature for you guys to add up to any of your projects. So that way, this is a very good project that I have seen in Free Code Camp. So let us first honor the author who made this. The author name is Spruce Emmanuel, and you can see that this is his web page. I am spruce.dev, and this is the project which is updated by Spruce. So let's recognize and acknowledge this great author. So I have added more features from what Spruce has done. So let's see those features in action. And in one way, you will understand what you are going to build up if you follow my videos in this episode. So first of all, let me adjust the timing here. I'll explain to you in a bit of while what I am doing here. Okay, let's first refresh here. You can see that there is a React spinner being loaded, and this will be loading for about 20 seconds until we get the data. Actually, the data is already obtained, but I wanted to demonstrate for you guys how React spinners are being loaded. Now you can see the whole country's data, international countries data. So once you make this project, you can choose your mother country or father country and see it's coming up. So let's put Singapore. Singapore is coming up. Let's put Malaysia. Malaysia is coming up. And let's put India. India is coming up. And finally, we can search by capital cities. For example, India's capital city is New Delhi. So we get New Delhi, London, UK's capital city, Kathmandu, Nepal's capital city. Okay, so that way we can search by cities, and then we can search by regions, which is Europe. If it is wrong, it won't show anything. So we got the Europe region coming up, and here is another friendly filter, which is filtering by Americas. We can filter by Europe, we can filter by America. I think America is not coming, so let's rectify that. Oceania, because this filter is active, that's why. Okay, let's filter by America. So the thing is, you have to clear that if you want to use it. So let's say, for example, I chosen Asia, so I got a filter here active, right? So if I go here and choose Africa, it will not work. So you have to clear this filter. That's why the cross sign is there. So you clear it, and then you can choose the drop down. Europe, Oceania, America. Okay, so if this drop down is in America, and let's say, for example, I want to choose Europe, again there is a clash because this filter is asking for America, but this filter is asking for Europe. So what we have to do is, this has to be in the filter by region, and then you have to choose Europe here. So that way it's possible. So the best way is, I'll show you where you can change it and make it in a better form. Either you can eliminate this whole filter by drop down, and then you can go for a global filtering, or you can have both, but this will be filtering by region, whereas the others will be filtering by other parameters. So with that, let's start our first episode on the coding. I'll get back to you in the next episode, because we are reaching our time limit for the first episode already. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I will provide GitHub link for this so that you can do your own creative upgrades, or you can change anything you want, or you can apply to your routine job or day-to-day work or study about React.js. See you later in another video. Thank you and bye-bye.